Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm working on my envelope, but I also wanted to share a few things that I created while I was off camera because I just couldn't think. But I wanted to share my little broom. I made a little witch broom, and I put a little twine around the neck of the broom, and then I made a little twine bow and added my little bat from my ring. Okay. I also created a little medallion with my little pumpkin, and I used my little cut aparts out of my 6x6 paper. So it was one of the tags, and I just cut it apart because, you know, it can't fit on this little medallion. So something tiny, and I will be packaging these things up for my swap partner. I made a giant medallion, and what I did is I just took the paper, scored it 12 by 12 pad paper, and it's double-sided, so I had to put something on the back. And then this is the front, and what I did here, I took some of my tulle just off the roll, and you know, just like you make a rosette, took that and put it on my top of my medallion, but between the two layers I added my ghost, and I put some googly eyes on my ghost. And then on the center I took one of the pumpkins from Dollar Tree, took the pumpkin right here, put that on the center on top of a smaller medallion, put some googly eyes, make it a little fun, and a hat also from Dollar Tree. So I just put it on top of the pumpkin head. And then I added a straw, which I got from Walmart, which is right here. And I'm working with this straw collection because that's all I have. But that's what I've got so far. And as you saw me earlier in the beginning, I just added one of the Target skeletons from my Spritz haul. So I just put him right in the corner. He's waving hi to my swap partner. And what I was thinking was, I'm not gonna package my broom, but I will put it upside down. And yes, I know my bat is upside down, but hey, guess what? It still looks cute right in there. You see that? Isn't that cute though? So the way I made my broom, okay, this is the mini version of it, and I'm sorry for the background because I'm just a hot mess, of course. The way I made the broom is I took the straw, and I took some of my Dollar Tree paper, crepe paper streamers, and I took one strip, folded in half, and used my scissors to just cut up sections of the crepe paper. And it doesn't have to be perfect, as you can see. You just cut it up, just don't cut all the way through. And you have two layers. And I saw It's a Deal here on YouTube making these brooms, and it was just too cute. I was like, oh, I have all the supplies for that. I can do that right now. And that's what I did. So you cut it up, and you just take your straw, and all she did was actually, well, let me not put it on that. Let me put it on this straw. Put a little bit of glue around, and the way I took it was just take the end and spread your glue. The way I did it, this is how I did it, and I'm rolling the straw onto the crepe paper, and there you go. And as you build it, just slowly and softly, gently tighten the pull as you wrap around the straw. Okay, so here I didn't cut all the way to the end, but let me just cut that off. Okay, and you can use whatever color crepe paper you want to make your brooms. I just used the black. Okay, I don't have fancy tools, like I said, so just spread that on there, hold it in place until it dries. Ew. Oh yeah, it's nice and messy. Anyway, and there you have your little broom. Okay, so I put twine around the neck of the broom, and guess what? It's the twine from the skeleton garland. You just pull it, and I didn't want to throw it away because it's nice and thin. It's easy. Okay, and this is what I did. Take the glue, a little bit, lay the tip in the glue, and then just go around the neck. Okay, and I just kept wrapping and wrapping and wrapping, oops, until I got to where I wanted it. Okay, cover up the loose end. Right there. All right, and let's see, where's that sloppy side? All right, there. Take the glue, add the glue, and hold that, oops, hold that in place. Right there, okay? And should be good to go. And we wait for that to set up. And once it's set, just trim the extra rope off, okay? And there we have our little broom. I'm just gonna put a little bit of glue here just to hold that in place. And that will get covered up. Okay? And that was it. So you don't even have to put the twine bow. You don't need that, it's not necessary. And you can use whatever you have on hand. So let me show you a few examples of the stickers, the felt stickers from Dollar Tree. Here's some ghosts, some jack-o'-lanterns. Okay, you have all these options. There's also some spiders. This is all from this spider collection, actually. It's from last year. It's a little too big, you know, for that. So, I don't know, maybe not that. Everything wants to stick to itself. Okay, you also have these, which I used the bat already. Okay, this one has, whoop. Anyway, we have the skull, the spider, and the bat. So I used the bat on the first broom, and I just cut the ring part off. Now, I don't know which one I would want to use now. The orange spider is kind of cute because it brings that pop of color, so I think I'm going to use the orange spider. Cut the ring back off, toss that away, and then position your spider, maybe not cover the whole thing. There we go. Maybe like that. think that would be cute. Okay. Let me add my glue. Alright, and I just added to the body. I'm not going to put it on here straight completely on the broom, so it looks like that. Oh, I love it. And it's going to stick out of the envelope like that. So I'm going to cut this down a little short, different lengths. You see that? So I'll probably make this one just a tad bit longer, probably right about here. And I don't want to use scissors because it'll pinch the straw. But I will use my junky craft knife. I need some new blades. And just take your time cutting through, and it'll go through nice and straight. There you go. Okay. And that's what this looks like. Isn't that cute? So I made 1, 2, I would say 3, but this is so puny. Maybe I'll cut this one even shorter. And I didn't put anything on it really. How about right there? And you can put these on anything really, which I like. And since this is super tiny, maybe we can use the skull. Yeah. Just clean it up a little bit. And cut this off. Okay. This may or may not make it to her, but I'm going to add the little skull onto the broom, just like that, because I love the tassel part. And just like that. Just like that. Okay? Try and cover up the messy part of the glue. Like that. You see that right there? It's all junky. So I'm going to cover him up. Oh, that looks crazy because it looks like hair now. It's so funny. There we go. See that? Isn't that cute? Okay. All right. That's about all I'm going to do with this guy. The bat is still, he's going to stay upside down. See that? Okay. 3 little brooms. There we go. All right, guys. Well, I'm going to get this cleaned up, and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for joining me, guys. Hit that subscribe button, share, and leave me a comment below. Which ones of these decorations do you like? Oh my god, I forgot to share this. Anyway, last one. So there we go. I put a little tulle skirt on this guy, put some googly eyes, and a hat, and I actually put one on the back also. So I just took the banner, this little thing, off the back one. So there we have it. Googly eyes. Alright guys, thanks again.